How to post picture in Heyoo. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to post picture in Heyoo. So to post a picture in Heyoo, all we need to do is open up our Heyoo right here. Once you open up your Heyoo, click on the bottom right corner right here. There you go. As you can see, after pressing on the bottom right corner, next thing we need to do is click on our profile right here. You see a profile right there on the top. Press on our profile right there. After pressing on profile right there, you will see here it's like a camera option right there. So once you click on moment, you can either choose from an album or a camera right there. So now we're just gonna choose the camera right here. So now there you go. And as you can see, now we can take a photo, and click on the check icon right there. You can do this on the album if you're a photo, if you want to post on the album. There you go. Now you can choose it to make it public or private in the bottom right corner. Make it only visible to friends, or you can make it private. Now, after you're done doing that, right there, after you're done making it public or private, there you go. And you can add another photo by just clicking on the plus icon right there. So yeah, there you guys, as I do it. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and click on done right here. After clicking on done right there, publishing, and then you're done. So there you go, posted. There you go. Now we have our post right there. So yeah, there you guys. So hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always leave it down in the comment below, guys. We'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on How to Rock It, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go, and there you. Thank you, guys.